Today we're going to make an accordion cat out of paper. For this craft, you'll need some paper, you'll need a pencil and eraser and a black marker, you'll need some scissors and some glue stick. To start, cut 2 strips from the short edge of your paper. Next, we'll need to draw our cat. We'll need to draw a front end, a back end, and a head for your cat. If you're not sure how thick you should make your cat's body or your cat's head, you can use this handy trick. Just take one of the strips that you cut from earlier and mark guidelines. This way you'll know how thick you need to make your cat's body and head. I made my cat body in a square shape, but you don't have to do it like this if you don't want to. Maybe you have a pet cat at home that you want to base this cat on, or maybe you want to make up a cat from your imagination. I'm going to draw my cat, Gizmo. When you're happy with the drawing, you can outline it in a black marker. This will make the lines stand out more. Of course, you don't have to do this step if you don't want to. It's optional. When you're finished outlining your cat, you can use an eraser to erase any visible pencil markings. Now it's time to color. You can color your cat using crayons or markers, or whatever you have around your house. When you're done coloring your cat, cut out the pieces. Now, take your strips that you cut out earlier and glue the ends together to make an L shape. Fold the paper strip on the bottom over the top strip. Continue to fold the bottom strip over the top strip until you are no longer able to fold the top strip over. Cut off the excess pieces and glue the ends of the folded strips together. Now it's time to glue your cat body onto your folded paper. Now fold the feet over. This will allow your paper cat to stand on its own. Unfold, and you're finished.